Tailgating is the biggest culprit for scenes like this. In fact, police tell us it is the #1 cause of accidents, not texting or even drunk driving. Drivers getting too close.
I posted a short on this video before. This car is driving extremely too close. Tailgating. Tailgating is road rage.
Close for comfort is behind 25% of automobile accidents in Ohio. That breaks down to 143,000 accidents in the last 2 years, 84 deaths, and 34,000 injuries.
What makes this amazing, this is one state.
Police say this woman, Brittany Eisen, was following 39-year-old Jason Claypool's motorcycle too closely when she hit and killed him last month.
Following too close is one of our leading causes of crashes. We target it as an enforcement.
And it's a bigger problem on tri-state roads than you may think. With cameras attached to the back of our car, we drove around Cincinnati and Kentucky. I-71, 75, 275, and even 471, all different roadways, same old problem, tailgating. Some dangerously close. Take a look at this semi. See how close it is to our car? If we slammed on our brakes, imagine the chain reaction this would cause.
This also happens in the DMV. This semi is extremely close. Accident waiting to happen. Road rage.
One example of many. The officers we spoke to recommend a car length for every 10 miles per hour. So at 60, you should be no closer than this. But if you're tailgating at interstate speeds and you're following this close, the results could cost lives. So what should you do if another driver won't give you any breathing room?
The best thing to do is to move over, maintain vision, not stare at the motorist that was on your rear end, no hand gestures, nothing to magnify the issue of him tailgating you.